Good evening, this is Dorothy Thomas with So Easy a Grandma Can Do It. I'm going to be doing a review on Expanision software. And before we get into that, I wanted to go ahead and go over my bonuses that you would receive by purchasing it through me. You have Eagle Emails 365. The second bonus, The Secret Weapon by Jono Armstrong. The third and fourth are products from Dawud Islam, the Panther Prophets, who shows you how to grow your list through contest, and Leopard's List. And the fifth one is a semi-exclusive bonus, Cashless Creator and Moolah Cow Moolah. Moo Cow Moolah. So, and 7 vendor bonuses, and those bonuses are, let me get to that real quickly. I seem to have lost my place, that are worth over $8,000. Oh, here we go. The Expanision software, making money training, world-class customer support, a video case study, and 5 premium vendor bonuses. Again, over an $8,000 value. Now, what is Expanision all about? Well, let me tell you, it is, for someone that's new and starting out, it's a dream come true. For someone that hasn't quite been able to get everything together, that it's a great help for that as well. Going to allow you to get huge profits, guaranteed affiliate approval, 100% free traffic, constant daily income. As I mentioned, newbie friendly. Profit from any device, and auto pilot sales, which we can all need. Now let me go over the OTOs with you real quick, and each of these do have a downsell, so you'll want to remember that when you're purchasing this, if you're interested in the OTOs, that there is a downsell for each one. Now on the basic version that you'll purchase for $16.95, it has 3 campaigns. The first OTO is going to offer you additional 5, giving you 8 campaigns to create unlimited funnels. The second OTO, if you would like, it's done for you set up with the extras. You'll get 2 sets of email swipes that can be loaded into your autoresponder, all set up for you free. The third OTO is expansion traffic. Place your pixel on Al Cheeseman's sales page and get tens of thousands of visitors guaranteed. On the fourth OTO, reseller rights. And the fifth OTO, to dig in a little bit deeper and get more versed, is Expansion Master Academy, where you'll get 7 times live coaching calls per month with Al Cheeseman as part of a group session. Now with that said, let's go into the members area. This is brought to you by Al Cheeseman and Dawud Islam. So it'll start off with a welcome video from Dawud, who's going to give you an overview, and then right into the main training. I've done an unboxing video that'll step you through the process of how to access that software and get started on your way. But this is truly remarkable product, as that it has the 8 campaigns. We'll go into that area real quickly. If you're getting the basic version, you have 3 with magnetic, hypnotic, and infinity, that you'll get your approved affiliate link that's guaranteed. Add that. Then you also have your bonus link that you'll add, and you plug those in a matter of minutes, seconds really. You'll be ready to go and ready to start making money. It is so easy, a grandma can do it, as you'll see in my unboxing video. Again, on these bonuses, if you want them, just click anywhere here and you'll get those as well, and well on your way to having a successful start with online marketing, affiliate marketing. Thank you for your time. This is Dorothy with So Easy a Grandma Can Do It.